Right now, somewhere on Earth, lots of people are kissing. Couples kiss before leaving for work. Newlyweds kiss at weddings. Movies end with a kiss. Some people even kiss complete strangers at midnight on New Year's Eve. It feels so normal that almost nobody ever stops to ask a very strange question. Where did kissing actually come from? Because when you really think about it, kissing is bizarre. Two people press their lips together, exchange saliva, breathe each other's air, and somehow the brain interprets all of this as romance. But here's the strange part. Scientists still don't know exactly where kissing began, and the real answer may be far stranger than most people realize. Most people assume kissing is something all humans naturally do. But that isn't true. Anthropologists studying cultures around the world made a surprising discovery. Many human societies never developed romantic kissing at all. Think about that for a moment. Something that feels completely natural to millions of people simply doesn't exist in some cultures. If kissing were purely instinctive, every human society would do it. But they don't, which raises an uncomfortable possibility. Maybe kissing isn't as natural as we think. So where did it come from? One of the most popular theories starts with something most people never think about: smell. Humans are constantly analyzing each other through scent, even when we're completely unaware of it. Your brain can detect tiny chemical signals from other people. Studies suggest that people are often attracted to natural body odors linked to genetic compatibility. In simple terms, your brain may be searching for a healthy partner without you realizing it. And kissing brings two people incredibly close together. Close enough to smell breath, skin, hormones, everything. Some researchers believe kissing originally evolved as a way for ancient humans to subconsciously evaluate potential partners. In other words, your first kiss may have started as a biological inspection, not romance. But another theory is even stranger. Long before supermarkets, blenders, or baby food existed, mothers often had to prepare food in a very different way. They chewed food first, then passed it directly into their baby's mouth. To modern people, that sounds disgusting, but for thousands of years, it was completely normal. Human babies are born unusually helpless compared to most animals. They require years of care and constant physical contact. Some scientists believe this repeated mouth-to-mouth interaction may have created a powerful emotional connection between mouth contact, trust, comfort, and bonding. Over thousands of generations, that emotional connection may have evolved into something new: romantic kissing. If that's true, one of humanity's most romantic behaviors may have started as childcare. So when do we first see kissing in history? The oldest written evidence appears about 4,000 years ago in ancient Mesopotamia. Texts from the region mention romantic and sexual kissing between couples. Ancient India also contains references to kissing in early Sanskrit writings. And by the time of ancient Rome, kissing had become so common that Romans created different categories for different types of kisses. A kiss for family, a kiss for friendship, a kiss for romance. But here's the problem. Written evidence only tells us when people started recording kissing, not when kissing actually began. Humans existed for hundreds of thousands of years before writing was invented, which means the first kiss could be far older than any surviving record. There's another mystery. Why does kissing feel so important? When humans kiss, the brain releases dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin, chemicals associated with pleasure, bonding, attachment, and reward. Heart rate changes, attention narrows, the outside world briefly fades away. It's almost like the brain was designed to treat kissing as something meaningful, and for ancient humans, it probably was. Life was dangerous. Trust mattered. Choosing the wrong partner could affect survival itself. Strong emotional bonds weren't just nice to have, they were necessary. Kissing may have become one of the ways humans strengthened those bonds. And that's what makes the mystery of kissing so fascinating. After thousands of years of science, history, and research, nobody knows exactly where the first kiss happened. There was no camera, no written record, no witness. Somewhere in the distant past, beside a fire under a dark sky, two ancient humans may have leaned toward each other for reasons they didn't fully understand. Maybe they were testing trust. Maybe they were searching for connection. Or maybe they were simply following instincts shaped by thousands of generations. Whatever the reason, that single moment may have started a behavior that billions of people still share today. And even now, most of us still don't know why.